breathtaking online methods in 2021. Each one is beginner friendly. Start your digital transformation today. Number 1, write articles on Medium. Take already released articles and post them on medium.com. Don't you have pre-written articles? No problem, start by choosing a topic you are interested in, or which you have deep knowledge of, and start writing. Number 2, sell videos, pictures, and Gifs you already created via platforms like Shutterstock, Pixabay, Unsplash, all pictures, videos, GIFs, presentations. Sell your existing digital assets via any platform like Shutterstock.com. Number 3, create and sell courses on platforms like Skillshare or Udemy and create 100% passive income. Remember the article you wrote for medium.com? Use your expert knowledge to create your evergreen course and sell it via Skillshare, Udemy, etc. Number 4, sell your services via Fiverr, etc. Offer and sell your your skills as services via freelancer platforms like Fiverr, etc. Number 5, sell already created digital products like checklists, cheat sheets, via JVZoo, ClickBank. No matter if it's a topics list, or a checklist for any business process, or a mind map. We all created one of these digital assets while working on any important product. These lists etc. can be sold for $1.05 via JVZoo, ClickBank, etc. Number 6, become a teacher for homeschooling in your language. Since the year 2020 brought major changes for schools, teachers, and pupils, the new normal is called homeschooling, and that's your chance to make your first steps as a teacher. Homeschooling created a huge demand for virtual/digital only teachers. But what should you teach? Just an idea, why not teach your native language to foreigners? Number 7, selling affiliate products from JV, CB, etc. Step into the fastest growing niche, which also makes outstanding revenue numbers and pays thousands of online entrepreneurs. Become